Hi, this is Nash Sharma, and in this session we will learn how to draw a pie chart in Power BI. Pie chart is a circular chart which is divided into sectors. In those sectors we can display the data, we can display the information, and those sectors are displayed in different colors, and the information on the pie chart are easy to read. Before we start creating the pie chart, let us check the data. We have a data in Excel sheet. The heading the task, this is the list of the tasks performed by a employee, then hours spent on the task and the percentage of the total hours taken by the employee. So we will see how to display this information on pie chart. Now let us see how to create the pie chart in Power BI. As you can see, we have a task summary. The data is already uploaded. Also we can check the data in data. So these are the data. Now from the visualization, click on the pie chart symbol, enlarge this one, and in visualization section we have a fields. There are some options: legend, details and values. In legend, the function of the legend is to display the information in different colors. So in legend we will drag and drop task. So you can see the list of the task is displayed here. Now the values. In values, drag and drop hours spent. You can see the pie chart is displayed, but the information is not properly visible. So we will format this chart. So go to the format section, the second one, this one, format. First of all, legend, this one. So on legend, enlarge the font size, make it black, then make it 24. Now the list is visible properly. Now the information of the pie chart is also not properly visible. So these are called the data label. Go to the data label, say blue, then enlarge the font, say 18. Now the information is visible properly now. Also we can change the style of these data label. Right now it's a figure and the percentage of the that figure. We have the label style. In label style, if you choose data value, so it will display only the data value, and if you choose data value and percentage, this is the by default value, and if you choose all details label, so along with the figures and percentage, now the name of the task is also visible. If we observe this chart, so we can see in the pie chart the list of the tasks is displayed in sectors. The first one is the orders letters preparations. It means it shows the employee took the 2 hours, and that is the percentage of total hours taken by the employee. The second one is the reply to clients, and then is the client meeting. So this way you can create a pie chart, and in format there are so many options. So using these options you can make this pie chart very attractive. Now we also create the another example of the pie chart. Here we have the data, the name of the product, quantity purchased and date of purchase. You can see the pen, pencil, mouse. But in this data you can see the pen, this one pen. This product has been purchased twice on different dates. The same case is with the CPU, this one is CPU. Also CPU has been purchased twice on different dates. So we will see how to display the information on a pie chart with drill down data. Let us see how to create the another example of the pie chart. So this time we have the purchase summary. If we check the data of this table, so this is the data. Now click again the pie chart. In this example, a legend we will drag and drop protect. So you can see the list of the product is displayed. Now in the values, we will put the quantity purchased. Again, format this style, legend, then make it say black and 24. We change the data label, make it bigger, say 24, and color black. Now it's visible properly now. So you can see the first sector is the CPU and quantity is the 104, and that is the percentage of total purchase. If you want to display the all information, then go to data label, so along with the percentage and the quantity, the name of the product is also displayed. As we know, this pen, which is the yellow color sectors, this has been purchased twice on different date, but it shows only one sector because it is the sum of the both date. But we need the more information on the date, so we can put the date in detail section. So you can see now in the pen, this has been purchased twice on different date. It shows same color but in two divisions. Same case is the CPU. The color is the same blue color, but again divided in two sectors. It shows the two different dates. And if we put the date of purchase in legend, so you can see it shows the like bifurcation of the dates, say year, quarter, month, date. The Power BI does it automatically. It means we can drill down the data year wise, quarter wise, month wise, and day wise. So once you have put this data wise in legend, now enable the drill down option here. Click this one. Now the drill down option is enabled. Click on the pie chart. Date of purchase, again click on this one. Now date of purchase month, again click this one, then date of purchase day. So this way you can drill down the data, again up, 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 and up. So this is how you can create the pie chart with drill down data. So this was all about the how to create the pie chart in Power BI. I hope you understood this very well. Thanks for watching the video.